Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you my makeup collection. And even though it's a small makeup collection, it's very useful and it has everything that I need to create all the looks that I want. And obviously I would like to get more things, but so far these are the things that I've been trying out and really liking. If you would like to see my makeup collection, keep on watching. And as for my makeup bag, I have this cute bag from Letten, and I can't link this bag because Letten closed their stores, which is really sad because Letten was one of my favorite stores. But anyways, it's just a cute pink velvet bag that I use for my makeup, and it's really nice because it's not too big and not too small, so it really keeps my makeup really nice and organized without feeling cramped or without taking too much space. Let's just open it up. And this is basically what I have here. Right here I have my makeup brushes. The first thing I'll show you is I have two palettes right here from Etude house. This one is called Moody Romance, and I really like this palette because it has the sparkly ones, and it's also like it has a lot of neutral colors. So essentially all these colors I use, and the sparkly ones I also use them for highlighter. It's really nice. The sparkly one is not like super sparkly, like you can see, like it's not like an insane amount of sparkles, but you can still see some shimmer. This one's really pretty, kind of like gold copper. I really like this palette. I use it a lot. And then this one is actually my favorite palette, also from Etude house. It's called Casa Feg. And I really like it because all the colors are neutral and also they're all matte. And essentially I just use all these colors, but I always use this three right here, this two, almost all of them actually. I think the only one that I haven't used is this one, but this one I use for doing the liner. This one I use to do my xoxo and like to fill in my eyebrows. It's just really nice, and like the colors are quite nice. It's pretty pigmented. Yeah, I just really love this palette. ASMR. Now this is my face powder. It's from Bare Minerals, and as you can see I use it a lot. And this is the poof. I think I removed the poof and got a new one because I like to change it. So I get the little pouch from Target that has like 4 of these, so after one gets too dirty I just change it. And it's a really nice powder, like it just does its job. And it also don't make my skin feel too dry. And then I have 2 items here from Jill's store that I've had for the longest time. I feel like I've had this for like 2 years already, and I can't bring myself to throw them away because the container is just too cute, and like the blush is so pretty. Like I barely use this anymore, but I just can't throw them away. This color combination, it's amazing, and this is the most beautiful container ever, so how could I ever throw it away? And then I still use this mostly because of this white color that I like to use for my xoxo, and I know I probably shouldn't because you shouldn't use expired makeup, but yeah, I can't throw it away. I'm guilty on this. And then here's my base. I'm using this one from Etude house. It's actually the first time I tried it, and it's actually pretty nice. I'm not very picky when it comes to foundation, but right now I'm mixing it with this one. This is trial that I got on Sephora of this Tarte. It's called Maracuja Juicy Glow. I think I said it wrong, but yeah, this kind of foundation with this, I mixed them both and it's the perfect combination. I feel like because this one is a little bit too white and then this one is a little bit too dark. When I mix them, it's just the perfect color and consistency. So I really like using this at the moment. And now for the blush, I have this one. This one is one of the newest one from Etude house, from the makeup haul that I did. And I said I was gonna do like a haul and like a review, but I never did it. I never did the video, so I'm doing this right now. So I'm hoping that this serves kind of as a review. One is the Heart Cookie blush. It's called Pink Salt, and I really like it. And it's so cute. Like, my favorite thing is the container. And it has little poof, and inside is like a little cookie. It's just too cute. And it comes with a little poof. And I just really like this blush. I like that. I feel like it's kind of on the cooler side. I'm not sure, but like, I'm trying to learn about cool tone makeup and warm tone makeup, because I know it plays a big role when it comes to doing your makeup. But I really like the color of this one, and I liked that it was a little bit on the lighter side, so it works as a blush but also like a highlighting blush. And then I'm gonna go into lipstick. I think I'm just showing you guys like at random instead of like by category, but anyway, I have this lip tint from Etude house. It's one of my favorites. I love this one. It's like an orangey color, and honestly I've bought this like 3 times already, because every time that it runs out I just buy it again. It's just a really nice lip tint. And keeping on the category of lip tint, as you can see, this one is running out because it's my absolute favorite lip tint, and it's a red lip tint. And yeah, it's running out, but I can still squeeze some color out of it, so that's why I haven't thrown it away. But I definitely need to do like a new haul on Etude house because I need some more makeup. And let's stick to the lipstick category. And then this one is another tint, but this one is a little bit more tinted, I would say, like more going into the lipstick side. And it's really nice. I really like how this color looks on me. Let's see, where can I swatch this? It looks very purpley there, but when I put it on my lips, it looks more pinkish. I don't know, probably because of the color of my lips. It just really, it's a really nice color on me. I really like it. I don't use it as often, but I do like how it looks. And now this one is one of my most recent lipsticks. And I really like this one to outline my Cupid's bow, because it's very tinted and it's also kind of matte, so it dries out nicely and it makes the lipstick look very natural. It is really nice too. It looks very reddish there, but it's more like a peachy, like a dark peach color when I put it on my lips. And I have 2 lip gloss. I have this one from e.l.f. and this one from ColourPop. And this one I got it because it was the Sailor Moon collection, and I just thought it was the cutest container ever. And I just really like the sparkle and the color, but as for the formula, it's not my favorite because it's kind of like, it's very sticky and I don't like how it feels on the lips. But it's gorgeous. It's a gorgeous lip gloss, but the formula, I don't like it very much. And this lip gloss from e.l.f. I really love. I really like the formula. It's not sticky, but it makes your lips look very glossy. So I really like using this one. I'm trying to make it like focus. It's really nice, this one. It looks very pretty. This one is the one that I use the most. And I got this one at Ulta for like $3, which is really nice. To finish off with lips, I have this kit from Charlotte Tilbury. It's the lipstick, and this one is really nice. It's really pretty. It's called Pillow Talk. I really like it because it's a really nice nude color. I like the formula. It feels very silky on the lips. And it's good for the base, and then I like to put the lip tint in the middle. And then the lip liner. It's the same color, it just helps you shape your lips. This is my concealer, is the Fenty Beauty one. And I like this one because it's very high coverage, but the only thing that I don't like that it's quite dry. Like, as you can see, it's a very high coverage. I just put a little bit, and yeah, it's very thick. It's really nice. It's just a little bit dry. And this is just a brush for the blush. And my eyelash curler. And then I have two primers, and these ones have been freebies, like sample trials. And the one that I like the most is this one because it's actually really good. Like, it makes the makeup look very silky, and it makes it last longer without making the makeup look cakey. This one I really haven't seen any improvement on the makeup whenever I use it. It just kind of feels like a moisturizer, honestly. But this one actually does feel like it works. Now for mascaras, I have three. These three are the ones that I have, and this one I got it because I think it's two reasons. Because look at the container, it's just so cute. I got it when I went to New York, and I went to this store where they had like Japanese makeup, so I had to get it because it was so cute. And I was also looking for a mascara that was clear, but I didn't know that the spoolie was gonna be like this. Like, I don't know if you can see. It's such a weird spoolie, so I haven't used it. I just got the idea of maybe using it on my eyebrows. I don't know, I just haven't thrown away because the container is so cute. And then these two. I love these two mascaras. This one is the one from Ilia. I like the volume that it gives. Really nice mascara, very simple. And I think I really like the spoolie. Spoolie is what you call it, I don't know. But the brush is really nice. Like, it just gives a nice lift on the eyelashes. And then this one is one of my favorites because I don't know if it was supposed to be waterproof, but it's the only mascara that doesn't like smudge on my eyes, and I really like that. But the only thing that I don't like is that when it comes to like this spoolie, the little brush is kinda, I don't know, it just kinda makes your eyelashes a little bit clumpy. And when you go to remove it, it's a little bit hard. Like, I think because I think it might be waterproof, I'm not 100% sure, but as I said, it's the only mascara that doesn't smudge on my eyes, which I really appreciate, which is one of the reasons why I think this one is one of my favorites, even though it's kind of clumpy and it's hard to remove. But I just really like that whenever I know I'm gonna have a long day of wearing my makeup, I can have something that is not gonna smudge on my eye. I have this eyelash glue. I barely use eyelashes because I need to buy some, like really good ones. The ones that I have are way too big. And yeah, this is just simple eyelash glue. It works really well. And then I have two eyeliners. I have this one from e.l.f. and then this one is from Wet n Wild. This one is brown and this one is black. They're good. Nothing too special. They're just nice liquid eyeliners. Like, the application is really nice, and also the color, it's quite rich. And these are all my brushes. These are all my brushes. Nothing special. Oh, this is actually not a brush. This is a pencil for the eyebrows that it's run out, so I don't know why I have it here. I think I have it because of the little brush. I like this little brush for the eyebrows, so I'm gonna keep it. I have just this set that I got from Eco Tools, and then this one's it's a brush that came with the Etude House eyeshadows. It was like a little kit offer that they had at the moment. It's a really nice brush. And oh, and this one, this is supposed to be a brush for the foundation that I showed you. It came like in a kit, but I just use it for my blush. I don't think it's the best brush for blush, but it's what I have, so it's what I use. So that is it for my makeup collection. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and maybe you found some things that you want to try for yourself. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!